Namaste everyone, welcome to YogaByShraddha. Today we'll do how to do a KAPOTASANA, but in a simple way. So, first, you need to sit down in a Vajrasana. After that, take out your leg and sit in between that gap, which is called as a Virasana. And now, slowly bend back and touch your elbow on the ground. Okay, then try to go more down and try to touch your full body on the floor. Now, place your palm just above your shoulder, fingers facing towards your shoulders and elbows facing towards CD. And then try to press your palm so hard and try to lift your hips and chest as up as possible. So, inhale and up. And walk. Join your toes if you can and touch your head on the floor and hands above. Hold here. Again, place your palm down. Relax and slowly take a support of your elbows and lift yourself up. Sit down in Vajrasana. Thank you.